All right, guys. Today is another day. Things are keeping changing here, and welcome to our life in the Philippines. That constantly change every day. Anyway, today I'm going to take a little recognition drive, recognizance drive, and drive around in the neighborhood a little bit. We have been giving out some rice and some other things. I had some friends that helped me gather up some money, and we are going to drive around a little bit and talk to people, see where there is some needs and some other things. I know there is a lot of need in here. I hear some people hasn't eaten in days, and we'll do what we can here to help these guys take care of things. So I'm just gonna drive around a little bit and meet up with some of the people. Last week or last few days, we helped out a few of them, and here is one of the families, and let's check in with them.
Hello. How are you? I'm good. Did they come relief goods today? Did they bring rice to you today? They come? Mabalacat City?
No rice.
Hey,
You're my friend.
did they not come by with rice today?
No.
I have it home, but the Mabalacat City, 2 trucks today. They're coming here.
Come here. I'm gonna take here. No more rice.
Okay, I'll get you some.
I think you better take your rice.
Okay.
Wait. No more.
How many people are you?
Here. 4 families.
4 families.
And then the other one is 3 families. There are 3 families, 4 families.
Okay, so no relief goods today?
No really, nothing.
Because they came by my street, and I said I don't need it.
Now,
We need it.
Okay, I will be by. I have rights, so I will bring 4 families. How many people? How many?
Another 4.
12 people. And over here?
There's so many here. It's a map.
Right.
There is ilang ka dyan, ito na. 10 people here.
Okay, so there's a total of 25 people right here. Okay, and no relief goods today. Okay, then I'm going to get you some. But it may be an hour or so. Okay, but I'll come back.
All right. So just here in this building where these guys are, there's 4 families there. A couple of families on the other side, and an older gentleman is actually sitting out there, and his wife and family. So we're gonna try to get back to them a little bit and get them some rice. And here we are to another area, and we're gonna go down here and see what the need is here.
How are you? Anyone speak English?
Yeah?
You speak a little English? No relief goods today from the city?
No. Just only one.
When?
Last week.
They come once last
Once, yeah, in last week. And we have 2 kilos of and 5 cans of sardines. And
Okay.
3 pieces of coffee.
Yeah.
Coffee bags, yeah.
They came by my house today and dropped off in front of my door, and I saw what was in it. I gave it away because I don't need it. You know, we are okay. But I have plenty of rice. I don't have any canned goods or anything, but I have plenty of rice. So I will get you some rice later, maybe an hour or so. I'll come back and I'll give you some rice.
Thanks.
How many families back in
Ilang
here?
isang pamilya na kayo?
You said 24 families back there?
No, it's that's 18 or 20 there.
Right. Okay. So,
Hey, you can also, ha?
oh yeah. Huh?
Are you with
I live on Everlasting Street.
Are you with here?
Huh?
Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Shell.
No.
Shell. Shell, like a seashell, but no sea. Shell.
No.
Okay. So we're gonna try to come back a little later, and I know there's families back in that area there. Right. And I'm gonna bring some rice. So when is the last time you got relief goods?
I thought that is April 1 or maybe
They not come yet?
June.
They have not come with any relief for you yet.
The others, sir, there's nothing. They have nothing. But the other, you give some relief, but it's not all. It's not even.
Right. So how many people are you in here?
24 people. There is a 24 family.
Okay, so 24 families, that means they have children and they're...
Yeah.
How many? What do you think? 50 people, 60 people, 70?
More than 40.
More than 40?
Yeah.
Okay.
50,
You know, I'm
50. Hindi yung mga bata.
I'm gonna try to help a little bit. We're doing a little bit what we can from our personal, you know, I'm not a rich man, but
Oh,
we're trying to help you out a little bit with rice. That's all we have.
Oh,
But it's better than that. Okay?
doesn't matter, sir.
And I'm gonna be back maybe an hour and a half, and I'm gonna try to. But I would like 1 or 2 people. I don't want everybody
Oh,
to
yeah,
come and
yeah.
storm it,
Yeah.
right? But you have to distribute
Yeah.
evenly between all of you.
Yeah.
Okay. So I don't want to mingle with everybody. We all need to be careful so we don't
Yeah, we understand. Doesn't
get
matter.
affected. But I'll be back in about an hour. I'll come back,
Okay.
and then I'm gonna give you some rice. Okay.
I'm going to Toljan.
Right. So,
So,
but I want you here when
Yes, sir.
when I come, and I have the camera with me, and I want to document what we're doing.
oh,
Trying to raise
Oh,
a little bit more money in
Oh,
the
yeah.
US. Okay, so I know the need is big, so we'll do that. Right. So I will be back.
okay.
1 hour.
I'm going to with you.
All right.
Yes.
So what time is it now?
It's all 4 p.m.
4 p.m. Let's say 5:30.
Oh.
I'll be here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'll be back. 5:30.
And I'm going to run up the street. There's another family up here, and we're going to check in with them as well. They're ready.
How many? Yeah. When is the last time you got relief goods from the Okay.
7 families.
Okay. All right. We'll see what we can do. I'm limited, so I'm going to give maybe for 1 day, 2 days. But I'll be back in an hour, and we'll see what we can do. 1 hour.
1 hour? Yeah,
1 hour.
we are 7 families.
Right, but I want you speak good English. I want to deal with you directly because I can't have everybody run up to me. We gotta keep social distance. So I'll be back in about an hour, 5:30.
So I have barely touched on what could be done here. There is so many that lives from day to day, and especially now during this tough time. Some people I talk to, they have not really had a job for 2-3 weeks, and they make like $8 an hour. No, sorry, not $8 an hour. They're making $8 a day, and that $8 is just barely enough to feed them when they have work. Now imagine they all got absolutely out of work. Literally hundreds of them in here, hundreds, and they just don't have food to eat for the day. The city here has run some what do you call it, food giveaways. What do you call it, hon? When they come with the food, what do you call it? Relief package is the word I'm looking for. And it has been scarce. We heard about it when the barangay was started having lockdown, and it just didn't happen. We actually got a relief package by Andoer today, which we turned around and gave it away. I don't feel like receiving a package when I have more than I need. So basically what I'm doing now is driving around, checking out the areas, and we're going to go and visit some of these, interview them, talk to them, and we'll do that keeping our social distance. Right now I'm just scouting the areas, and as you can hear, people are hollering at me, saying hi, waving, smiling faces, and that's one thing here. You rarely ever see a Filipino sad, no matter how tough and hard it is. Very positive people, and I think that's one of the reasons I like to be here. People are happy generally, and here we have a few guys and hanging around, and apparently they don't use their masks, which I'm a little concerned about, and I have told them to put your masks on, guys, because it does help. Some science says it doesn't, but looking at statistics at South Korea, Japan, and China, where they wear masks, every single one of them has a lot less detrimental happenings, for sure. All right, so I've been just giving you a tour of the barangay today, and because I don't get out. Last time I got outside the barangay was 9 days ago, I think. It's a pretty nice house, and they have a studio apartment for rent. I told my wife when I got back here that maybe we move here. Small little apartment, but it's cheap. And it's a nice house, and it's a pretty clean area too. Alright, so we're gonna head home, and I am not too far away. And thank you for watching, and hit that subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, take the opportunity to do it. We are following what's happening here pretty close, day to day, and If you're subscribed, you will get the notifications. Share our videos, hit that like button, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever. Bye bye. Wait, don't click that button unless of course you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.